Beats.com.
Great day, and I'd just like to take this time to wish each and every one of you a very happy and blessed new year. 2019 was an interesting year for me, especially with my vlogging. I was able to put out a lot more content than I have previously, but also it was more content geared to my build and what it is that I'm quite passionate about, which is obviously the automotive industry, cars. Then I also had quite a good number of highlights in terms of being able to attend a lot of the car shows that were hosted here in Cape Town, but also attending my first out of Cape Town car show, which was the German vs. Jap show in Nasrec. Following from that though, there was the mishap, which also led to some other positives, which included us being able to buy Robin's Jazz, as well as me buying the E60 BMW for my dad. As you guys can see, I'm actually sitting in the Jag at the moment, which I haven't sold yet. I've only recently put it up for sale. The car still needed to be serviced, which you guys had seen in the previous vlog of mine, where it was taken to Lord, although I've actually found out now that it's actually pronounced louder, so yeah, my apologies for that. So the Jag is officially back. It's driving a lot better, and it is now officially been put up for sale. So apart from all the highlights, there was obviously the low when hood was brought back with the long distance carrier, and the GReddy lip of mine got damaged. Bit of a bummer that, and it set me back on my build. But thankfully today, the good news is that GReddy lip number 2 has officially arrived. So I'll be taking a look at that now, just opening up the packaging, making sure that everything is okay with the lip, and then I will be dropping that as well as my splitter off at R&M Auto Body a little bit later today. So let me go inside and get the packaging open so that you guys can see the new lip. And I've just gotten home from work, and Rian has actually dropped Bumblebee quite early this morning. According to my dad, I was getting a lot of attention, people passing by, stopping to take pictures, children leaving school saying that it was their car. Quite funny. I'm sure you guys all know how that goes. But yeah, the reason for him actually dropping the car today is for me to install the uprated air valves, which are the 503 position valves. And that basically allows for step application, so you can determine how much pressure is in the cup at any given time. And the purpose for that being, when you're driving air up, you can actually make the drive a lot more comfortable rather than the full up and full down. So let me just go inside, get changed, get my tools, and then we'll get cracking on that install. It's the next day after the next. Thanks to Eskom, we got load shed, so I had to finish the assembly on Rian's car in the dark with the use of my cell phone torch, so I wasn't able to record anything further. But just before I started on the front air valve, I actually managed to get a clip of the rear going up and down in the step form. So I will include that at the end of this vlog. And yeah, basically I had to drive to Rian as well in the dark to go and drop off Bumblebee. But the drive quality with the step is so much better than driving at full lift, and I'm sure Rian is going to appreciate the drive quality as well, seeing as he's been rolling quite low. And obviously he needs to get that sorcery front a little bit higher so that he can clear the cat's eyes. He's actually complained that he's been catching cat's eyes quite a lot when he's swapping between wheels. So with the one set of wheels we actually have to make the car slightly higher than with the other set, but yeah, thankfully I won't have to do that. Hopefully next step, once I've actually tested the digital air gauge, he will then also go that route. But yeah, that's still in the process. And then I'm also considering doing a test with a wireless RF controller. So yeah, we'll be able to then control the up and down with a RF remote control. Yeah, that's it for this vlog. As I mentioned, I'm going to drop the step up and down of the new setup. Check it out, guys. Until the next one, remember your goal, your rules, stay motivated, keep well. Cheers.